How's it going, YouTube? Long time no see. Yeah, I've been real busy working. Um, Today we're gonna be trying to get the fuel cell bolted down. I got a good idea. It's gonna take me a little bit to get it done, but I'll show you what I got here. Yes, the truck bed is horrible, but I was gonna use these straps here, but I don't think I want to use that now. I bought some angle, some 1 inch by 1/8 inch angle. What I'm going to do is I plan on taking the angle and putting it right here on the edge, on the sides, and then having another piece along this side and have it stick out with some all thread that goes down to the bed. So we're going to try and get this all measured out. I'll weld it so it's a nice one-piece box, and then it'll have a piece of all thread going down. Now, what I was figuring I'll do is down here at the bottom is I'll put another piece and I'll weld it to a piece along the back here so it's another square box underneath. And then my all thread will go from the top piece to the bottom piece. So we'll show you how I'm gonna fab that up. Alright, we'll be back. Okay, and we're back. I got it kind of fabbed up. I still gotta drill some holes. So here's what it's gonna look like right now. So I got it welded. It's on top there, and then I gotta put all thread rod down to the bed here so I can pinch it down. I'll grind down the welds and paint it, make it look good. But I found something climbing in and out of my truck that I didn't realize, so I'm gonna need to address that before I can get it out on the street. You hear that squeaking? Now I noticed something. We'll go down there and take a look. Hold on. Now I didn't notice this before, but I don't know how well you can see that, but that tire is on the wheel well. So either I'm gonna have to trim out the wheel well and mini tub it, or get a different off-size tire or offset wheel. So I gotta figure that out. So yeah, that's gonna be the holdup. The other side's the same way. It's right up on it. So yeah, I'm glad I didn't drive it. I just happened to look at it and went, oh shit, it's right up against there. It's not much. I might be able to just take the tire off and beat the wheel well back and get me enough room. But yeah, that's the next problem. But anyway, back to the project at hand. I'll get holes drilled in this, get my all thread measured, get my holes drilled, and we'll come back on this. Alright, so we got it kind of in there and done. I still have to take it back off and grind it down, paint it, make it look right, but here it is. So there's the fuel cell, and I got the all thread down and it's bolted from underneath, and these are, you know, there's a bolt underneath and then a bolt on top, so that all thread's stuck there. And then I got the bolts up top pinching it down. It ain't going nowhere, it's part of the truck now. But yeah, that's it for that. And I've been thinking, speaking about the wheel wells here, what I might end up doing is going ahead and cutting this first rib out and seeing if I can find another wheel well. See if I can find somebody that's got some wheel wells and go ahead and cut the wheel well, and then just add that much wheel well to it. You know, cut the wheel well like up this way on that curve, and then lay another wheel well on top of this, basically, and then have the wheel well over to here. No, I might have to have Leighton help me fab these up, because I don't do very well with welding this thin sheet metal. But that should give me enough room if I just cut this rib out, and I got the same rib on both sides, so I can cut it right at that rib, and that'll give me what, 2 inches or whatever. Well, let's get the tape measure out. Man, it's chilly today. Let's see, actually that will add another 3 inches to the wheel well, so that'll give me plenty of room. And the leaf spring's over here, so I ain't worried about that. But yeah, that'll give me plenty of room for suspension travel. So I guess I'm gonna have to do, I guess I gotta talk to Leighton now and see if I can find somebody that's got wheel wells they want to separate from a bed. Alright guys, well there's that. Spin back around. So anyway, we got one thing done today, and it's cold. I don't think it really broke 50 degrees today, but I'm going to leave it like it is. I'll come out here tomorrow and pull this back apart and paint it, grind it down, paint it, and all that stuff. I just don't feel good. So anyway, but y'all get out there and turn some wrenches, and remember, No Name Nationals is coming next year. You'll be here before you know it. All right, later guys.